Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for a vlog. It seems like it's been forever since I've vlogged because it has been. So I am just getting ready to head into work. I have a couple of meetings that I need to go in for today. I am normally at this time working from home, which is interesting. Today is officially my second day working from home and I'm already going to the office, but that's okay. I have meetings and I need to see everybody and all of that jazz, so it's okay. It's just a transition until my office is ready, which should be the end of March or early April at the latest, but it could be ready as early as the middle of March, so we're just waiting to see what happens. So that's all right. And then that's just honestly a temporary location for about a year until another building opens up so that we can all move into that. And that floor plan is going to be an open floor plan, and I won't have an office, which is a little bit weird for me because I've had one since I've been in management for a long time. So it'll be interesting, but it'll be fine. I am not worried at all. I have a great team. We all work really well together. I have an open door policy anyway, and my door's hardly ever closed unless I need to talk to somebody privately, and in that case, even with the open floor plan, they have private areas that we can do that. So I think it'll be all great. But that's still a little while away. So until then, I have some other transitions. The work from home, and then for a month, and then the new place for about a year or so. So cool things happening. Haven't seemed to talk to you for a while because things have just been going on here. I know that you guys know that Tracy was here last week. She left not a week ago yet, but a week ago tomorrow she will have left. But guess what? She's back. She came on Sunday and she's staying, I don't know how long. I'm trying to talk her into at least staying until Saturday, and then us going to coffee with our new friend Susan that we met during the last, during the planner meetup. Not the last one, the only planner meetup. So Lisa hopefully can meet up, and Susan, and I haven't made it like a meetup thing because I don't know what's happening exactly, but I'm hoping that Tracy can stay. Sorry, I'm putting on deodorant. And that will be great. And I think that that's what we're going to do. And what else? There's a lot of things that I need to do. I need to pick winners for my 10,000 subscribers. Holy shamoly. I need to do my planner meeting. I need to clean my rings. I don't even wear them very often anymore because they're kind of big on me now, and so I don't wear them very much, but I'm noticing. I don't have my glasses. I don't even know where they are right this minute. Hopefully I won't forget them. Crazy lady. Crazy lady. So, yeah. And just so you guys know, I'm using that No Problem primer that I got from Touch and Soul. I got it in my beauty box. So, I think BoxyCharm. I really seem to like it. It's very smooth on your skin, soaks in nicely, and it is hot, and I have on a really hot sweater, so, and a turtle. So 2 turtles. I'm gonna put on some, I use the IT CC cream. So this isn't really any sort of tutorial or anything. This is just, I have a chance to vlog, and so I thought that I would. So Tracy is just going to stay here while I'm at work, and she's great. I mean, she lives alone, so she's easily entertained. She can figure out what she wants to do. Watch TV, listen to the radio, watch YouTube, whatever she wants to do. She could, I mean, obviously she has her car. She can go and come and go as she pleases. It's just fun having her around. And she is laid off for right now, so that's why she's able to come. And then with me working from home, it was kind of easy because I could just go into my front office, close my door, or even leave my door open. Yesterday I just left it open, and I work and she does her thing, and then we can talk and have lunch together, and it worked out really well. And last night we went to Hobby Lobby. I did do a haul video because I got lots of good stuff, so you'll have to watch that. I got something for Katie that I think is really cool that I'm going to use for her graduation from college present, so it's not yet. It's going to be a little while, but it's a big tote. Not a tote, a big like chest thing. It's really cool. And I'm going to fill it with supplies and things that she might need as a teacher. Have you guys used one of these? I think it's really great. Sometimes I'm not very good at it, but if I go and get my eyebrows done and then I keep up with it with this, it's kind of nice, but I don't always do a great job of keeping up with it. And last night I did film a Foodie Friday video. I haven't filmed as many as I'd hoped that I would, but I think I filmed a couple, so you'll be seeing those. Better than none. Okay, then so let's see, how is everyone doing? Dennis is doing well. He is looking at starting a new position, so that's kind of cool. He's at work now. Alex is doing well. I really appreciate the continued prayers. He's just trying to figure himself out and figure out what he wants to do. I think teenagers, I think it's hard for them, and I remember being a teenager, and it's a tough time. So, and I don't know that I'd want to be actually I can say I wouldn't want to be a teenager right now, so it's hard. So I do appreciate the continued prayers for my family. And Katie is doing great. She's student teaching, and she has student teaching classes. She has a classroom on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's fun. She's there today. She absolutely loves it, which is really cool. I love that she gets such firsthand experience before she starts to make sure that this is something that she really wants to do. And the fact that she loves it makes it so good, because, you know, if you love what you do, it'll never feel like work. Well, that's not true exactly, because I love what I do, but sometimes it feels like work. But you know what I mean. It won't be so bad. If you hated it and then you were trying to do it for a living, it would be really difficult. And I'm sure that some of you guys have that in your life, and that's awful. So yeah, we have to do what we have to do, but sometimes you don't want to do it. And I am doing well. I gave you my little update. I need to vlog more. I know it's just been different with Tracy here and all of that. It's just been different. Not bad. Actually really fun, but not great for my channel and what I've been consistently doing, so you know, it'll get back on track. And I enjoy it. I love vlogging. I love talking to you guys, but I also love Tracy being here, so that's fun. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks on my way into my meeting and get myself Starbucks, and then I'm also going, because I have 2 meetings that go through, not through lunch, but like there's a half hour between the 2, but that's not really enough time to go get lunch or anything, and it's not like a building that I can prepare my own lunch. So I think I'm going to stop at Starbucks and get one of those protein lunch boxes that they have. I think I've had one before, and it was good if I remember right, so I'm hoping that's the same kind of thing, but I know I've seen them and they look great, so I think I'll get one of those and have that as my lunch. I might grab a water too so that I can have water and that for lunch and a coffee beforehand. My eyes kind of bloodshot for some reason. Oh, I didn't put any eyeliner on. Do I need it? I think I'm just going to skip it today. That's what happens when you don't wear makeup for a little bit. You forget your routine. I have Ralph Lauren Romance. Smells good. Alright, well now I need to blow dry my hair, and I'm going to wear these pretty earrings that I got at CVS. These were $8.95 at CVS, and I thought they were really pretty, and they have other ones with blue stones and pink stones, and I thought, gosh, I almost got the blue ones because I couldn't find clear ones, and then lo and behold, there they were, and I'm super excited about them. I haven't obviously worn them yet, so okay, well I am going to probably sign off. I will show you a picture at the end of my look because I'm sure you're interested. Not, but yeah, have a great day, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye bye.